Hello everybody, my name is Matt and this is Real World Review. Today I will be showing you how to replace the battery on the Huawei Nexus 6P. What we are going to need for this repair is a PH000-bit screwdriver, a flat blade, a plastic pick, and a playing card. So what you will need to do is heat up the bottom and top panels. Be careful with the bottom panel because it is made out of plastic. Use something like a pick or a flat blade to get under it, but be careful not to carve into anything. Next we will heat up the top. This is a glass panel, so once we use the blade to lift up the glass, we want to grab a thin card to cut through the remaining adhesive. Like I did, you may have to use some more heat. Just make sure not to add too much. Once the glass is off, you can start removing the screws. These screws are all the same size, but you should still keep them in order. If you haven't already, remove the SIM card tray and get ready to remove the back. You want to start with the bottom. It's easy for me to pull the phone apart, but what I recommend is using a plastic pick to unclip the sides and lift the back off. Make sure not to add too much pressure or you may break the AMOLED display. Once the back is off, remove the screw on the bottom left of the logic board and remove the metal panel from that left side. Once that is gone, we can unplug the battery on the right and the daughter board cables on the left, or just remove the entire cable. Now we will carefully pry on the battery, mainly with a pick and playing card to make sure we don't damage this battery. There is some very thick adhesive on the bottom right and the entire left side of the battery. Make sure you don't go too far in or else you may damage the display cable on the right side. This removal may take some time. I did not add heat, but a little bit of heat will help loosen up the adhesive. Just make sure not to add too much heat on the battery. After a while, the battery will get loose and will come out. Now you can add some adhesive under the battery if it was removed and place the new battery in the phone. Put the battery in place and plug it in just to make sure that the battery is in the right area. Once that is in place, plug in the daughter cable and place the metal cover over it, along with the screw that holds it in. Now grab the metal back and place it on the phone, starting with the top and working down to the bottom. Once the back is in place, put the 6 screws back into the phone. Once those are all in, you can start adding the bottom and top panels onto this phone. Once everything is back together, you can put the SIM card tray back into the phone and power it up. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or on Twitter at @MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also, make sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Thanks for watching.